Hello, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, 128 subscribers. Woohoo! Everyone that is new, welcome. My name is Jency. I'm on a journey to become debt free. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. What are you waiting for? Like, come on, y'all. Like, what? It's free. I won't charge you. If I would charge you $5. Okay. But anyways, we have some cash stuffing to do today. We're cash stuffing our saving challenges, you guys. We're gonna do it the old way, the getaway. I don't have my tray, as you can see here. My kids, I don't know where they put it at. They grabbed it, of course. Guys, I have an IOU of $3. Happy Saturday. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's Saturday already. Like, what? Time is going so fast. Let's see how much we have. 20, 40, 60, okay. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right. 10, 20, 25, 125. Let me take away the $3 of IOU. So 125, right? I think so. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. $139 to cash stuff today. I hear Dylan, he's coming down. He wants his milk. So let me actually go ahead and give him his milk and let's go ahead and get started, shall we? I am back and oh my gosh, that candle smells delicious going down the stair. You can just smell it. Okay, let's do the IOU for this here. All right, let's see. And I don't remember how much we saved on that one, but let's check it out. All right, guys, this is exciting because this is gonna be towards my dad. All right, so we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 47 on this one. Yes! So that one is empty, right? The envelope. So let me go ahead and add this one right here for $100. All right, awesome. Where was it? I think it was this one right here. No, right here. Okay, so today I'm gonna start from the back, okay? Because the back, I've noticed they're the bigger numbers and I wanna finish any of those so I can put it towards my debt, okay? All right, let's go. By the way, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because next year for every like, I'll be saving $1 and we will see for the whole year how much we are going to save, okay? So basically what I'm gonna do is going to be, I'm going to save that amount until I upload a next video. So for example, let's say for today, when I upload this one, and from today until maybe 3 days, I will see how much likes I get in those 3 days before I upload the next video, and that's how much I'm gonna save. Does that make sense? I don't know. I hope it does. All right, so this is $8. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Not sure how much this one. Oh yes, yes I do. It's $100. Awesome. Okay, here we go. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm wearing Grinch PJs from top to bottom. Even my my slippers are PJs. Okay, look at that. Okay. I love Grinch, you guys. I love Grinch. I tell my husband he's Grinch. He's grumpy like that. Like, not grumpy, but he's just like that. I don't know. But he has a big heart, just like the Grinch, okay? Okay. My kids already know that too. All right, let's do this ghost right here, you guys. So today is Saturday, and I still don't have a car. All right, $10. All right, should we finish? I think we should. Let's do it. Screw it. Here we go. Better not be a big number. Okay, $8, so that's $18. Yes! Challenge complete. All right, so like I was saying, my kids, they already know that hubby is Mr. Grinch. 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, I don't have my car yet. I did get a good news about my car that I'm going to be receiving my car next week, you guys. So I'm excited about that. I do have to do a payment of $1,000. That's my deductible, which is not bad compared to the other company. It was going to be $2,000. The other insurance that we had, we just switched around literally last year. And yeah, I'm excited to have my car because I do miss my car so bad. I have a 2022 Honda Pilot, silver or gray, whatever color it might be, which is silver to me. It is silver. But, and the thing about it, when I got in a car crash, I told my husband, I cannot believe I just paid my car 2 months ago, like completely. I paid it off. It took me 2 years for me to pay that because we bought a brand new 0 mile, like, you know, out the lot. And I told him, I'm like, I can't believe I just finished paying it off 2 months ago and I hit my car. Like, I crashed. Like, really? Like, you're kidding me. So, in this time, we were just like, I hope the best scenario will be for them to fix it. But then again, if they fix it when we want to trade it or later on when we want to sell it, just in case if we do, you know, it won't be worth a lot because the value will, you know, be down because, you know, the airbag pop. So, but this is the best scenario because I don't want to be in debt anymore. So I'm happy that the fix for it's gonna be like $8,000, but I only have to pay $1,000 because that's my deductible, which I'm so excited about because I'm like, yes, no more in debt. All right, guys, sorry I'm rambling, but you know, I want to tell you about my life, right? I mean, not everyone does this, to each his own, but I think like if you are watching me and you are into my debt journey, I want to tell you a little bit more about what's going on in my life too, right? I don't know. All right, anyways, 20, this was a mystery. So I'm not from Jen. Yeah, I believe it was Jen. I haven't seen her in a while, actually. I'm gonna go look her up, what's going on with her, if she's been posting or what, but I feel like I haven't seen her in a while. You know, life be lifing, and I've been busy, and I try my best to do my videos too, and be on social media. All right, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, that's 100. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, $120 on this one, you guys. That's amazing. Oh, now my binder is going to feel so thin because a lot of challenges has been completed, like envelope-wise like this. So I'm going to get this one out. Okay, awesome. That's exciting. Yay! A lot of more money gonna be going towards one of my credit card. All right, next we have this saving challenge from Jen, of course. And oops, this one is for $100. Oh my goodness, hold on. What's going on? Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, this one is for $100. So let's scratch this Hello Kitty right here. Ooh, $18. Okay. Big numbers, big numbers. All right, so 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So in the last video, I did ask a question for you guys, and a few of you guys actually answered it, which means you did watch my video throughout the whole time. And I really do appreciate that, even though I did not meet my goal for this year, because December 8th, which is like, what? A day away from now, I think today's the 7th if I'm not mistaken, was the day that I redid my video in a year span, and I didn't reach my goal for 1,000 subscribers, and I did not reach my goal for 4,000 watch hour, which that's okay. Maybe next year we have a better chance, right? But I do want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys for supporting me. I do appreciate all of you guys, like literally thank you so much. All right, so this is gonna be $6. Awesome. Woo-wee-wee. 5 and 6. And like I was saying, this is gonna be a very talkative video. I'm sorry, guys. I do love to talk. I really do. I'm all over the place, but I do love to talk. And so, like I was saying, I really do appreciate you guys showing me support and everything like that. So I asked a question and a few of you guys answer it. And I will leave right here the winner for that giveaway. It was a mystery giveaway. I was so thankful at that moment that I thought of something in my head. I'm like, I'm gonna do that. And yeah, whoever the winner is, I hope you can contact me because you need to watch my video. You need to claim. And yeah, and I will get to talk to you and send your giveaway soon. I do take about a week for me to ship because life is busy, okay? But congrats to whoever the winner is. All right, guys. So on this Valentine's here, we're gonna do. Let's do the 9. We're gonna do $9. We have 10, 11, and 12, and 14 left for us to complete. So let's do the 9 on this one. And my red marker, it's up top. I saw it up top in our room because Dylan grabbed it. That's life right there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness, I need to condense because then I need some change. So yeah, so I know it's up top. Dylan probably grabbed it. So yeah. Let's get a 20, shall we? And let's do a condensing for 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, there we go. Awesome. See, now it's less in that envelope. Awesome. All right, good. Good. All right, next we have this one. What should we do? Let's do a bigger number, shall we? Let's do a 12. Yeah, let's do that 12. 10, 11, and 12. Awesome. I don't have my marker. Like I said, it's up top, but I will eventually mark it, okay? So 12 on that one. And this one will save me $200. So that's good. Okay. Next, I hear Dylan. I hear Dylan. All right, this one's gonna be $15. Okay, let's do a $15 on this one. It's so cute. This is from Claudia. Claudia-CM-budgets, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. She makes very cute challenges, you guys. So cute. Okay, there is that. Should we condense? Yeah, let's condense. All right, awesome. Okay. I'm so excited. I finally was able to record, you guys. And I was like, you know what? Let me record right now. Even though I have to clean, I'm like, I don't care. Let me record because I have not been able to record. And I'm like, I need to record because it's my happy place, you guys. Literally, it really is. Okay, next. Oh my gosh. Let's do $5 on this one. Great. I have no idea how much this one will save me. I don't remember when I created it. I do not remember how much it added, but I know it's more than $100. Probably like close to 200 if I'm not mistaken. But I could be wrong. Okay? All right. You can feel my envelope is definitely thin. All right, this one, a Happy Mail. Why not? Let's add a $5 for the Happy Mail on this one. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this money for. I was thinking maybe next year, whenever you guys have like a Christmas box or a calendar box, something like that, maybe, I don't know. Or just in general, for anything when I complete it, right? I don't know, something big. We will see. Or I could use it towards my day. Who knows? I don't know. All right, next, we're gonna start this one. This one is from Easy Budgets. This one is bigger numbers. It will save you $250, so it's not bad. I will go ahead and do a 5. That's the smallest. So I'm going to do a 5 just so all my envelopes can get love. That's the reason. But I'm sure I will have some extra money. I'm not sure. We will see. All right. Ooh, okay. Here we go. Let me not speak before, right? Hand. Okay. If you're here watching... If you're still here watching, what's your favorite movie? Christmas movie. What's your favorite Christmas movie? And I will enter you for a small giveaway of saving challenges. I'm going to create some saving challenges. And yes, papi. Give you what? Okay, so that's $6. Let me condense this one here. That's $10 right there. Okay, yeah. So what's your favorite Christmas movie? So you can enter for a small little giveaway of scratch-offs challenge. I might create some this week, and so I can have new ones so I can send out to you guys like a little thank you, like appreciation, because you know I love you guys. I appreciate all of you guys for sticking around with me with my crazy self. Yeah, so let me know what's your favorite movie. For me, it's always The Grinch movie. No matter what, that one is always my favorite movie, no matter what. Okay, so yeah. All right, next, we're almost done. Yes, papi. All right, let's do the 20 on this one. Why not? That's the biggest. 20, so let's do a 20 on this one. Okay, so 20, I will color that later, so I don't want to make this video more long. Okay, so 20 on that one. Okay, next we have a snow saving challenge, Christmas saving challenge. So this one right here, we have 5, 6, 7, so 7. So ooh, what should we do? Okay, let's just do the 12. 10, 11, 12. Let's do the 12. So this one right here for this one, 12. And then we're almost done with that one too. We're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4 left. And we're gonna be done with this one. So 12 is gonna be colored next time you see it. Awesome. Okay. Not sure how much this one will save me because I just have not added up, but we will see. Okay, awesome. All right. Ooh, let's see. Is there a 5 here? Hold on. Nope, no 5. No 5s. Okay, that's okay. So we're gonna add that 5 to this one. This is another one. Okay, I'm gonna do another one of this one for 351. So I'm gonna do a 5, and that means I don't have an IOU. Yay, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. By the way, I did finally get a manicure and got my nails done. Very simple, very demure, very cutie. Yeah, okay. No, it's just I have to get used to now having basic nail, classic nail, traditional nails. I like my little designs, but you know, sometimes you gotta change it up and be more classic and not trashy, right? Because people look at you like if you're trash, if you have designers or blings or little rhinestone, which I think is bananas. Like, I don't care how you look. I don't care what you wear. You could be the richest people ever and you can look ghetto or ratchet or so not cute because of the style of what you wear. It's banana how this world has become, where like so judgmental to people. It's crazy. But anyways, I'm just rambling. Thank you so much for watching. We are so excited to add those to my bank and pay off some of those debts and lower my amount. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios. Love ya.